Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. I am just about to make a cup of coffee. It is the evening and I don't normally drink coffee in the evening, but I need something. I've got a real headache actually. I'm gonna take some paracetamol because I've not had a headache for ages, but this headache's just been like a constant dull one all day. I don't know whether I'm a bit run down. But yeah, it's the evening time. The boys are home from school and I feel like I've got loads to do still this evening, so I thought I'd pick up the camera. I've got my food shopping coming soon, so I thought I'd show you what I've got in that. I've got cleaning to do as well. I feel like the housework's just like really, I find it really difficult to keep on top of. It's only seems to be tidy for like a day and then it's just a tip and upside down again, and the house feels a little bit upside down. I've got washing to put away everywhere, which is just the worst, isn't it? Before the food shop comes in about an hour, I'm going to do as much tidying up as I can and just clean the fridge out as well before that comes, and just make sure that it's all clean for all the new stuff to go in and just be organised. And yeah, a little bit of a power hour clean to start with.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Baby, I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No. Every inch of me is hurting and I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight.
so shopping has been delivered. I'll just give like a little, I'll just do like a quick run through of it all because there's nothing too exciting. I've got oats because I want to make the boys some flapjacks because they prefer them, me making them, than me actually buying them, and which is just so much better because they're obviously cheaper to make them. I just haven't made them for ages. I feel like I've really fell off the prepping bandwagon. Like, I used to be really good at prepping all their snacks out and making meals ahead of time, and I just haven't been doing it lately. Time is always an excuse, I suppose, but I do need to get back to doing little things at least, like making flapjacks. Prepping the fruit out again. I need to do that with some of this. I've got a watermelon, which is Archie's just absolute favourite. Carrots, I need to cut some of them up because the boys will eat them as well. As long as they're already prepped, then they'll eat them. We've got raspberries, strawberries and grapes. Cherry tomatoes, I could honestly just snack on them. Me and Toby love snacking on tomatoes. These are so cheap, they're like 80p for 4 of them, which obviously you could get cheaper yogurts than that, but compared to like the tube ones and stuff, I don't think it's too bad, and they're just good for them to take them to school. I've got a massive Cathedral City cheese, ham. I bought myself this as well, which I'm going to prep a load of it and put some in the freezer because I don't think the boys will eat it. I know I could make it from scratch, but I'm not going to, and this was on offer with some other sauces. So I'm going to make myself a chilli, which I've got some mint for. I will try the kids with it again, but the last time that I made it, which was a while ago to be fair, they didn't take to it. I've got meatballs and then some diced chicken. I did want to get a whole chicken, but they didn't really have anything available. I also ordered a lot of frozen veg and all of that wasn't available, and they haven't substituted it either, so that's a bit of a pain. I got some of these. Toby really likes this curry sauce. It's just this cheap party food one, but he is a big fan of that. They also really like these Walker's Baked Crisps, so do I, to be honest. Hula hoops, we just got the usual snacky bits. Some butter, some Rice Krispie squares, but again, that's something else I'm going to make at some point. I'll make my own Rice Krispie squares, which they really like as well. Also some of this Miss Molly's chocolate. This is really cheap and this is just good for baking with. Got bleach and toilet duck. I got myself another deodorant. The orange and apple juices are normally like on offer, so you get 4 for, I don't know how much it is now, but I got 2 orange and 2 apple. I'm back on this again now. I feel like I got so sick of it because I had it so much and I had to stop having Greek yogurt with everything, but I like it again now, so I bought myself some of that. Also got some of these wraps. These are like the cheap ones that you can get, but I think they're really nice. They're no different to the ones that if you pay like 40p more, in my opinion. The stuff buried underneath there, I think there's some salmon underneath. Some southern fried chicken. Oh, I got myself some oatcakes as well, if you know oatcakes. If you've ever been to Staffordshire, so originally I'm from like Stoke area, and these are like a diet staple, so I thought I'd get some of them because I haven't had any for a while. Just some treats for the kids to last them. Bran flakes as well, which is like everybody's favourite in this house. Like, they would eat that over like Cheerios or Cocoa Pops. They all love bran flakes, and so do I, so that's always a good one. And I got some fabric softener as well. I got these, right, but I'm a bit confused because I thought that I got the wet ones, but what are these ones for? Oh, so it's to put in a refill mop. Oh, that's annoying. I'll have to try and just think of ways I can use that. I can still use them, but I didn't get the right thing there. It's for the, I just realised, yeah, it's for a mop that I don't actually have, but never mind. I got some eggs as well. They seem to be like difficult to get hold of at the moment. So I've got a pack of 6. You can't get the bigger packs. Pepsi Max, obviously. And then I got toilet roll and some kitchen roll. And yeah, I need to put it all away now, of course. All in the fridge, all in the cupboards, get it all organised.
though you're close. Where's your mind at? I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside that heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? You feel so far away, though you're close. Where's your heart at? I wanna know. A penny for your thoughts. I wanna know what's inside the heart of yours. Ooh, I feel paper thin. Ooh, when will you let me in? Do you let anyone get under your skin? You play it cool, but underneath I know you're hiding something. Do you let anyone get under your skin? I just wanna get to know you, so would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you, boy? Would you let me get to know you?
So it's a lot later on in the evening now. I have put the boys to bed, I've put my shopping away, I've tidied up, I put washing away, so now I'm just gonna get myself all cozy. So I'm gonna take my makeup off, which is already like halfway down my face. It's all smudged eyeliner, looking like a panda, and get cozy in bed in my pajamas. I really like to sit and do a to-do list, which I do pretty much every night for the next day. I just find that really relaxing. Maybe relaxing is not the right word, but it's just something that I really love doing. Always been that way. I used to do it as a kid, write out lists when I was like really little of all the things that I wanted to do in the day, like, and I'd even put on things like have a drink just so I could tick it off. Like, I've always been a list person. So I'm gonna get in bed, get the room all nice and cozy. So I'm gonna put my pajamas on in a second, but I just wanted to show what I've picked out to wear tomorrow. Sometimes I'll do this, like I don't always pick out what I'm gonna wear. Sometimes I just throw on whatever, especially if I know I'm just coming home after the school run, then it's not always like a put together outfit. But if I know I'm going somewhere, then I like to try and get things out the night before, because I'm a really like chaotic get ready type of person, and I don't want to be like pulling things off hangers in the morning before I take the boys to school and then be out all day and have to come back to loads of clothes to put away. So I like to know what I'm going to wear, just helps the morning go smoother as well if I've got the clothes out ready and just those clothes that I'm going to wear without having like loads of other stuff about. So anyway, I've got I'll link these below as well, all the items, because they're all fairly recent. I've got this, which I've just shown not long ago in a H&M haul, a stripy like bell sleeve top, which is dead comfy, dead soft, and also these jeans that were from ASOS because they are Stradivarius. These are super comfy as well. They're mum jeans, just button up at the front. I wear those. I'll just wear like a vest top underneath that probably, or maybe a couple of vest tops because I don't know how cold it's going to be tomorrow. I'm then going to wear my pink coat that I got from Boohoo. I always get loads of like compliments about this actually when I wear this out and about. I don't wear it dead often, but when I have worn it, I always get people saying what a nice colour it is. I think it's nice for spring. I feel like it's been so miserable, so I'm going to wear something nice and bright. And yeah, that's going to be what I'll wear tomorrow. So I'm going to get makeup off, comfy, ready for bed, do my list, and then hopefully get a good night's sleep. Hey Roo. Hi. Hi. Where have you been? Where have you been? You been sleeping? And now you're up. Yeah, there we go.
Whenever I'm off to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory, whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my wishes may be heading, a part of
That
us.
is my lists all done. I absolutely love this planner, by the way. A few people have asked about this actually, and it was only from the works. It's like an 18-month one as well, like an academic sort of diary, so it's great because it goes all the way to the end of this year, and I've had it for ages, and it's just really good. It comes with like stickers and stuff, which I love. And also I got this little notepad not long ago from WH Smith's, and as lovely as it is, it was expensive. Like, I didn't know how much it was until I went to the till. It does come with a pen as well, but I don't know where that's gone. I need to find it. WH Smith's ain't cheap, is it? Like, wow. I feel like, unless this is real gold, I don't know why it was so much. I think it was about £8 or something. But anyway, they are what I use, and I'm making sure to like use every page of this to write my lists, and also I'll put stuff on my phone as well. I just list crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep now, I think. Hopefully anyway. Sleep pattern is always all over the place, but hopefully I'll get a good night's sleep. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please do come back again for my next one. Bye everyone.